In this video, I'll be finishing off the back doors in the camper van conversion using 4-way stretch carpet. In the last van video, I finished off the sliding door, and in this one, I'll be doing similar to the back doors. I'm not sure why I left this until so far into the build. I think partly it was to prevent the carpet getting marked during the other stages, and partly it was due to a slight issue with the reversing camera, so I wanted to keep access to the wiring. Anyway, the electrical issue turned out to be a fuse problem and low voltage on the battery, so I replaced the battery and that sorted that. And with that all fixed, I could then get the doors finished. So the doors were insulated at the start of the build and the windows were then added. I just needed to refit the plywood to the lower half and make some new plywood covers for the top. I initially struggled to decide how I would actually finish the back doors. Originally, I was going to clad these, but with them being right next to the bed, I decided to carpet them instead. I chose to run some U-trim around the perimeter of the door to have a continuous border to tuck the carpet into. I saw this idea on another YouTube video with someone fitting carpet to their doors. We fitted this using super glue and activator, as this turned out to be nice and strong but also practical in terms of fitting. Silicone or other adhesives would have obviously worked but would have had a longer curing time, so it would have needed to be taped in place while curing. With those trims fitted, I could then fit the top plywood covers and start on the carpeting. There's not really enough to warrant having two people to do the work, but a second pair of hands is definitely useful at times. I made do on my own and I clamped the carpet on the top of the door to hold this in place, and then I applied the spray adhesive to the carpet and to the door and then stuck this down. I went around with a pair of scissors and a knife to tuck the edges into the U-trim. The trim I picked has got like a barbed section inside to prevent the carpet from pulling back out. I removed some of the door hardware to carpet under those, then refitted them. This is one of those easy but quite long jobs that requires a bit of patience, but after a few hours of cutting and sticking and tucking, the doors were all done. In the next van build video, I'll be fitting the curtains to the camper van, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.